What is up, guys? Pro Rubik's Cube Solver here. Today, I am going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in under 1 second, a secret long forgotten and hid away from the public eyes, that I am now going to reveal to you. This video will have 3 parts: the algorithm, the scramble, and the solve. The algorithm I will be using for this video is called the solution. Here is the scramble. As you can see, it is going to be very difficult for me to solve. Now, the moment you have all been waiting for. The solve. OMG guys, I just solved the Rubik's Cube in 1 second. That concludes my tutorial, and I am a genius. Now do the subscribe to my channel.